Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, you will learn about the off-page optimization in SEO. So we will learn about off-page optimization in SEO. So we have already gone through the on-page optimization techniques in our previous videos. So in on-page SEO, we learn many techniques and practices to apply on our website, so that it is optimized for search engines. But here in off-page SEO, we deal with the website promotion. Okay, unlike on-page SEO, we deal with the website promotion, and we are going to promote a website, and we are going to work outside the boundaries of a website. Okay, in on-page SEO, we work within our website, but in off-page SEO, we are going to work outside the boundaries of a website. So, why off-page SEO is important, and why this promotion is important for a website? Okay, why promotion is important for a website? So that's a kind of history. Okay, this search engine, this Google search engine, always have been trying for decades to give the best results to the searchers. Okay. They are actively searching to give the best results to the searchers, the relevant searchers. Okay, so to achieve this, they taken into account the on-page factors and the off-page factors and some other quality factors. Okay, this off-page SEO gives the Google search engine a very good indication on how the other websites and the users recognize our website, how they are engaging with our website. So that is the main factor we have to consider in this off-page SEO, and also the Google consider these factors. Okay, how other websites and users recognize our website. Okay, other websites and users recognize our website. Okay, how they are engaging with us, how they means the users. Okay, how the users are engaging with our content, engaging with our website. So this is the main factor that Google is consider. Okay, so simply how actually the off-page SEO works is, if a website is having more references from other websites, then the website is considered as a high quality website by Google. The Google thinks that if a website is having more references, means that website is a kind of a quality website and a kind of a high authority website. Okay, here the word references, the references are called as backlinks. Okay, technically they are called as backlinks or link building, both are same only. Okay, so how the backlinks work in off-page SEO? The main thing we are going to do is, we are going to get a references, we are going to bring a backlinks to our website. Okay, for example, what are these backlinks? For example, I have website. Okay, so I have website. For example, if you have a website and your website want to be recognized as an expert on a particular subject or particular business, okay, it's not enough for you to say it, but other related websites also should agree this, and this is expressed through links pointing to your website. Okay, we are going to get a links for our website, we are going to get a references for our website through building links, through getting links from other websites. Okay, so in off-page SEO, creating a backlinks, creating a references to your website is a major practice to increase your website quality. Okay, so creating the relevant backlinks will increase your website ranking, will increase your website authority, and also helps to establish trustworthiness of a website to Google. So we are going to create a backlinks. Okay, we are going to create a references for our website, we are going to bring a references, we are going to getting a backlinks to our website. Okay, now we back to the point. What are backlinks? What are backlinks? Simply, the backlinks are the links pointing to your website from another websites. Links pointing to our website, okay, from another websites. Okay, for example, okay, Nail Patel. Okay, so this is a Nail Patel website. Okay, this is a another website called musichome.com. Okay, this Nail Patel is giving a link to this website. Okay, this musichome.com get a backlink from Nail Patel website. Okay, this is called as backlink. Okay, this musichome.com get a backlink from this Nail Patel website. When I click this link goes to this website, which means this website got a backlink from nailpatel.com website. Okay, which means this nailpatel.com, this website is referring this website. Okay, so it's a kind of signal that this nailpatel.com website is trusting this musichome.com website. Okay, so this is called as backlink. Like this, we have to get many more references to your website. Like this, we have to get many more backlinks to our website. Technically, we have to build many backlinks to our website. If we are able to get more number of backlinks, it's a kind of authority we build for our website. Google always love these backlinks. Okay, it's a kind of signal Google always trust. Okay, so in our upcoming videos, we will learn how to create a backlink for our website. Okay, so if you have any doubts, just leave your doubts in the comment section. Okay, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.